everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel and today we're just gonna do something a little different. I don't know. I thought maybe I'd show you some of my favorite things, just a few of my favorite things that I've gotten on Amazon lately, because you might want them for Christmas gifts, you might want them for, I don't know, whatever. But anyway, we're just gonna have a little bit of fun. My main focus is because I did have a company reach out to me and ask me to try out hair tinsel. Oh, yeah, I know. I know. Stand back. So of course I said yes. I mean, I don't have long hair, but I wanted to see if it worked. I love glitter and bling, as you can tell. So anyway, so I've had it and I needed to do a video on it, and I've been wanting to take time, but I've been so busy, like busy. And I will be honest with you, it's not extremely easy to do by yourself, but it can be done because I finally did it. I was going to tape it for you. No. The first round I did it like a week and a half ago, and I started to do it, and my hair is so fine and so thin and slippery. If I don't put like a shitload of hairspray in it, then it slides right, things just slide out of my hair. I have to use like, hold on, like these type of things in my hair. Otherwise, no barrettes or anything will stay. Bobby pins won't stay in my hair, nothing. So anyway, so it was a little bit of a challenge. Like a week and a half ago, I got fed up and I said, forget it. I'll try it again when I'm not rushing myself. So today was the day. I did it. And I thought maybe I'll show you how it makes, like, you can wear it with everyday casual pumpkin fall attire, and then maybe we'll go into glam. I don't know. What am I feeling? Anyway, but you can see they actually come with, they look like this. They're tinsel, but you can curl them and all that stuff with your hair. So these are the colors. You get 2 of each color. So this is like, see how it's like this? So if you have really long hair, this would be awesome. So these are, I should have done this color in my hair so you guys could see it better, but I wanted it to go with everything. So they last about 2 to 3 weeks in your hair, depending. I don't know if it'll last that long on my hair, only because my hair, like I said, is fine and thin. But anyway, and you can wash them. They stay in. You're just knotting them in your hair. There are videos out there, so that's why I'm like, you know what, if I don't get to doing a video of how to put them in, there are videos out there. And I can link down below the company that sent me these so you can purchase them. They were not that much. And look how beautiful they are. So those are like the pinky ones. These are the silvery ones. Iridescent. Is it iridescent? I don't know. Iridescent, kind of silvery. And then there was 2 golds, but of course my gold one is ripped open and all over the counter. So, and this is the gold. So that's what I chose. Of course, because I love gold. So if you can see, there's when I put one of my bangs. So really what you're doing, and it comes with this, and the first time I tried to do it, I didn't use the tool. Second time I did it, I used the tool and it was much easier. Anyway, so, but I know, doesn't it look like a crochet needle kind of thing? Doesn't it remind you of that? See, it opens up. Where are you? See. Anyway, so I would knot it. Just do, you know, the slip through your fingers, make the knot, pull it all the way up, and then pull a section of my hair through. Now, most people probably with normal hair would use 3 pieces, 3-4 pieces. You don't want a lot, otherwise you're going to get like, you'll see sections where it's all tied off. I use a little bit more because, like I said, my hair is very fine and thin. So I pulled it up through the little loopy and tied it. And then you had to like I held my finger on it, and you have to tie it a couple times, like between your hair and the thing itself, the strand, the tinsel. But I love it. Look, so I'm glad I put one in the front so you could really see it, because I got there's one going through. So obviously these were so long, like here's one here, you can see the length of it, but you're supposed to fold it in half. So if you have long hair, you know what I mean? This is gonna go down your long hair. But this could probably do 3 in my head. So I trimmed it first because it was just so much to work with trying to do it with that long piece. And then you just kind of knot it in your hair and it's in. And there's another, see, I got some there. I didn't do the back. God help me if I try doing the back myself. I did do one on one of my friends, and it's much easier to have someone else do it to you, obviously, or to do it to someone else. I will say that. And I did not, in the beginning, I'll tell you what I did wrong in the beginning also. First, one, I didn't use the tool. Second, I was trying to use my bathroom mirror here, and you got the counter in the way, and I couldn't see myself clear enough, and it was driving me insane. And then you're like stretching over the counter, and you're like, oh, I was getting, oh, my back was hurting. I was just moody. So this time, I used a little tool, and I pulled out my long, you know how you have those tall mirrors to get dressed in front of or whatever, and I sat on my stool. I have a little stool. I put it in the bathroom here and pulled the mirror right up to me. Much easier. I could see what I was doing then. So anyway, I was hoping you could see. Oh, see it? Really, you're just gonna see my face right up close and all my pores. But anyway, so yeah, there they are. They're in there. I just did like a couple on each side here, and then this one was like a remainder strand of one I had already cut, so I used it through my bangs right there. But personally, if you have long hair, this would be so beautiful in it, and I'm quite happy with this. And I'm going to, we have a few holiday parties, like dressy up parties to go to in December, so I'm definitely putting this in and making sure it stays in and wearing it to the parties because I'm super excited over it. Okay, see, you can see it. But yeah, so there's that one. So when you get it, when you're done tying it in, what the hell is this? Oh, here, that might be one of them. Oh, yep, see, so it's sticking out a little bit right now, just because I was playing with it. But when you get it in, you'll have really 2 strands per knot hanging down in your hair. So, but I love it. It is way prettier up close and personal. Like, I really like it a lot. Check myself out in that mirror. So anyway, I thought I'd show you that. Let me see what else I can do. Hold on. Bing! Look at me. Okay. Now look. See, we can go with the glamorous. Let me get my lipstick on. Hold on. I'm a lot of breath because I left my lipstick downstairs. Had to run downstairs. Then I forgot something else. Had to run downstairs. So, you know, hey, shit happens. Okay. Now watch. I won't get this shit off all night. There. Okay, so 3 more things of my favorite things that I got recently. So I am obsessed with Christmas, and I'm pretty much every person I watch on here and every person probably that follows me is obsessed with Christmas also. So we're all in the same boat. But I also had a company, same company that sent me these, send me this. Hold on. Look at this. It's like, they're like snowflakes. Snowflake earrings. Look at them. Aren't they beautiful? Now they're like crystals in them or something, which I'll leave the link. But look at that. And this, very nice quality. And this has like the extender on it so it can go down farther. I put it a little shorter so it can go right here. And, sorry. But I love it. It reminds me of Christmas and snow. And I can't wait to wear this like with one of my dresses. Like, I just can't wait. So in the meantime, you can see this bling going through my hair can go with this just beautifully, obviously. And now I want to show you my little this thing that I'm wearing, because I just am obsessed with it. So hold on. So sorry, this isn't the greatest little area here, But look at it. Isn't it cute? Like, it's got pockets in it. There's all different designs on Amazon, but I wanted one that was kind of like I could wear it throughout winter, not just at Christmas. So it's got the little pockets. It's got snowflakes, and I love red. So, but so excited. Don't mind if my shirt's a little wrinkly. I just pulled it out of something and had to spray it with water and put it on so I can show you this. So anyway, isn't that cute? See, it covers your butt. I don't know if this is a very good, I don't know where to put you to show you. But anyway, so that's another favorite thing of mine. Yeah, see, it's got like different dimensions of the snowflakes in it. There's a lighter color, and then you can see the white. So there's snowflakes throughout the whole thing. Some are just more shaded gray and stuff. Anyway, I love it. So it's not meant to close. It's just to hang with my pockets. So yeah, I love it. And my other little thing that I discovered, and now I need to get almost every color of it. So I dressed up for Halloween as Snow White, and I needed red lipstick because my old one was like getting all dried out and cakey and whatever, and so I got rid of it. So I just went on Amazon to find something so I could have it like the next day or in 2 days or something because, you know, had to get ready for Halloween. And this is called Infallible by L'Oreal. It's a Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick. This shit don't come off. And that's what I like because, you know, nothing worse when you have a red one. Red lipstick, red nail polish always comes off. But there's the applicator. And it is red. It's a true red. Yeah, that's a true red. I'm trying to see what it looks like to you guys. And that's very red. And I love it. So now I'm going to go back on and get a few other colors. So, but I do love my red lipstick. And I ate and drank with it maybe after a few hours. I did use a straw though. After a few hours, like, you know, right in your, like that, right there, it kind of wore off a little bit, but it was fine. If you just looked at me, you wouldn't know. So, but I only did like one coat of it, and I carried it with me just in case I needed to touch up, but I really didn't have to, I didn't touch up all day. And then when I got home, it was still pretty good on there. And I had to use like a makeup cloth to get it off. So anyway, it stays on really well. So yeah, I think that's it for right now. Maybe I'll do this more often because I shop a lot. So maybe I'll do this more often of different things that I like, or Amazon or something. I don't know. But yeah, so these are my latest purchases. Obviously, this, the company sent me, and these. And I'm so excited to wear these for Christmas. I just can't wait. And they come in this cute little box. So nice little velvet box. So if you want to give them as a gift for someone, they're just beautiful. And they're not heavy at all. And you can see they're a good size and they're a good dangle. They're light. I just love them. And I just love looking at my gold hair. I'm kind of loving myself at the moment, except for that little guy that's flying away. Yeah, and I can't wait to wear this. How do I look walking away? Yeah, hey, coming back for it. Okay. All right, so give it a thumbs up if you'd like to see more of these type of little doodaddies, videos and stuff. And I think that's it. And I will leave the links. I'm going to do the links, people. I know sometimes I forget. Don't judge me. For all of these little Amazon purchases. And I may have to go back and get another one of these. I don't know. I can see myself in a green one or a blue one. So maybe I need a green. Yeah. Anyway, let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you want to subscribe and hang out with me more often. And, you know, see what I'm up to and what dishes I'm making. So, hey, cheers.